Hi, this is Mr. Max. I'm doing a quick question on angle of elevation and depression. And you can find this very same question in the textbook y equals mx plus c. And it is on page 456 and it's try now 18, but I am doing question 5. All right, just before we continue, we have to come up with a deal. As you can see, we are standing at 4,979 subscribers on the channel, and I would like you guys to all subscribe so we can bring this number to 5,000. The more subscribers you have, the more requests I get, then the more content I will upload. And you can already see that I am uploading grade 11 and grade 12 content, the AS level content as well. You will see question papers, past question papers, and they have got quite a number of views, those question papers. And it's only if the request is coming in that I can find time to do these things. There are a lot of videos for you. Even grade 8 and 9 has some content as well. You just go to the playlists and you will be able to see AS level content. You'll be able to see different topics. You'll be able to see past question papers. Right, there are about 50 videos on past question papers. So if I just go into that playlist again, you'll definitely see there are so many videos there that you can go through in order for you to to navigate your way through and go through these videos. All right, there's different topics again. Upon request, that is where I will start to do more. All right, support the channel, and only if you do so and request videos and content, I can send to you, and then we can definitely get ready for the exams. Right, let's go back to the question that is there. They say in this diagram, TW is a tower directly opposite of a building. The building is BD and the building is 30 meters high. The angle of elevation of T from B is 33 degrees. The angle of depression of W from B is 29 degrees. So we need to find the horizontal distance between the tower and the building. So in other words, we have to find WD. So it's very important that you know that, of course, this tower is at 90 degrees from from the ground, right? So that is what it is, right? Even the building is at 90 degrees, so because the building is not skew and so on. All right. Anyway, so I just took all of that and I decided to let me bring in a drawing so you can be seeing much easier in my solution. So here's what the drawing is, and the information that is important is this one that says the angle of elevation, and I'm just going to highlight that the angle of elevation of T from B. So we go to B from of T from B is 33, as you can see I've indicated there. Then they are saying the angle of the second one, the angle of depression, the angle of depression of W from B is 29, and the angle of depression of W from B going to B is 29. All right. So now you've seen that this is also equal to 29, and the reason why is that these angles are alternate. Okay, and alternate angles. Handwriting is a bit terrible today. Alternate angles are equal, so you have got alternate angles. So remember, you have got two parallel lines, right? You have got angles that they form like a Z, if so to speak. This is exactly what you have. So that angle is equal to that angle, and conversely, whatever this angle here will equal to that angle. So that is why I have that Z effect that you can see there. Right. Now, why is that? Because our objective is to find the distance from W all the way up to D. So we have an angle, we have a side, so we can use our ratios. And we are looking for adjacent, we have the opposite, so we're going to use the tangent ratio. The tangent ratio says whatever is opposite the angle divided by whatever is adjacent to the angle. So in this particular case, we're going to say the tangent of 29, put it over 1. Remember, this is a value on the calculator, it exists. If you were to press on your calculator now, the tangent of 29, there is an answer for it, but I'm not going to write that out, so I'm just going to keep 1029 for now. All right. And then this is equal to whatever is opposite. In this particular case, the 30 is opposite. And what we are looking for, our WD. Right. So if the unknown is under, you divide. Okay. But you can do cross multiplication. You will still get to the same answer. So eventually you'll have W will equal to 30 divided by tangent of 29. Right, so let us find out what that is. So we have got 30 divided by the tangent of 29 degrees. Well, that gives us 54.1. So let's have that 54.1, that is meters, and this is correct to three significant figures. Of course, you could find many ways to do so. Some people, they calculate this missing angle here, which is 61, and then they work with that 61. Again, 61 plus 29 should give you 90. So many ways, but you get definitely to the same answer. Right, we're going to have to remember that 54.1 because we have to find the height of the tower, and I've indicated nicely in my drawing. So let me just write that in here. So this is 54.1 meters. Okay, this WD is going to be equal to AB, as I've indicated with A. Can you see that I've indicated what the 30 meter is? Because the opposite sides of a right angle triangle, of a rectangle rather, are equal. So when we need to find the height of the triangle, we need to say the height of the triangle will equal to, let me use AW plus AT. AW, we know AW is 30, and we need to find AT. And to find AT, we have got that particular triangle on top there. So this 54.1 will also be the same case. So I have a triangle there, 30 degrees on here, and 54.1. So I've just drew that also so you don't get confused. So we are looking for, this is 54.1 meters. We're looking for this distance here. Okay, that's the distance that we're looking for. Now, if in order for us to find that distance, which ratio are you going to use? You have an angle, you're looking for the opposite, you have the adjacent, you guess it right, is the tangent. The tangent ratio, 1033 over 1, is equal to AT, which is what I'm looking for, over 54.1. If the unknown is on top, then you simply go ahead and multiply in order for you to get AT. So AT is equal to 54.1 times the tangent of 33 degrees. Right, you just go ahead and punch that on in the calculator. I have the 54.1. I'm simply going to multiply that by the tangent of 33. Well, it gives me 35.146. So it's 35.146 meters. So now I know what this little distance is here. That is 35, let's say, 0.1. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and fill it in everywhere in my diagrams, 35.1. So we are looking for the height of the tower. So remember I said in order for us to find the height of the tower, it's this 30 plus 35.5 more. So the height simply would be the height of the tower. It's going to be height of tower will be that 30 meters that we have from these opposite sides here, all right, plus 35.1 plus or add 35.1 more. That is going to give us nothing but 65.1 meters. Again, this answer is correct. 2, 3 significant figures. All right, so that's how you approach that particular question over there. So tomorrow I'm going to continue with 3D problems, have a look at Try Now 20, and I'm going to do all those questions with their drawings. Okay.